Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This is part 2 of building the mini bike, and we're fixing to test fit the chain. So first we gotta take off these bolts for the chain cover so we can get the chain wrapped around. So I'll catch back with y'all guys once we get that done. Alright guys, so let's get this bolt loosened. Just get them loose first. Alright, this one's ready to come out. Alright, let's get our chain. Let me get this thing tangled. I'll catch y'all guys back. Guys, change your plans. We're just gonna put the blue motor in it. This one's just gonna take too much. This can be a spare motor because it's brand new. Once the blue motor wears out, we'll just put this one in there, and then we'll do all the stuff that needs to be done. So let me get the blue motor in here, guys, and let's test fit it, and I'll catch y'all guys back in a second. Peace. Hi guys, change of plans again. So the black motor will not work, so we're moving on to the blue motor, and I've already got stripped apart. And so we disconnected the throttle thing to it, so we got to take out all these screws and get this apart so we can hook back up the throttle and then hook it back up to the lever, which I have no clue how that works. So we're gonna have to look up some YouTube videos while making a YouTube video. Shoot. I probably can figure it out. I just don't feel like doing that. Okay, this. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Pull this. We connected this. Yeah, it won't work. What about? I'm not even sure if we stole what we need to even make the throttle work. That's wide open, wide open, wide open. Whoa, hold up. Yeah. She's fixed. Wow, that was easy. Alright, so let's put back together all this stupid crap. Shouldn't have took the thing. Well, I still had to be able to see, so I guess I did have a reason to take it off. But it was a lot easier and simpler than I thought. But guys, we have this thing stripped down. I was trying to make it fit, but we have figured out by some YouTube videos that we're gonna have to cut. I don't know if y'all can see. It's that little frame that goes across there in front of the back tire, and yeah, we're gonna have to get the Sawzall and cut that off. My leg is getting better, so that's good, but I still can't walk good. Makes me feel sick. If y'all are wondering what's wrong with it, I had a dirt bike rig. So this thing's coming together. We just gotta put the gas tank and get the carburetor off of the tiller. Put it on here because they're the exact same card. Because this one leaks. Bolt snapped off and broke the whole bottom, so I shoved a piece of plastic or a piece of rubber in there, and it drips. I mean, I don't really have to fix it. It ain't gonna catch nothing on fire, but it's not like that bad of a leak, so fix that sooner or later. So I'm really happy that this ended up working out. So there we go. And that's all I wanted to do. But I can re-hook up the gas tank and get everything hooked up and put the exhaust pipe back on. I did give it a little bath, but nothing serious. So let's grab this gas tank. Let's try to get the rest of the gas tank. That gas really doesn't look the best. That's probably about all we're gonna get. We're still a decent amount in there, but not really matter because what we're gonna do is take this thing to the side, get it over here with this line. Bear with me, guys. Give it a second. So, if I find bolts. Wait, where did we put the bolts? Probably right here in this magnetic tray. Yeah. These are it right here. Oh well. Oh shoot. I just got flipped. I don't know. It would probably be these longer ones. Hold on. Something's not adding up. Actually, nothing's adding up right now. Hold up. What's it? Okay, hold on. The long bolt. Goes right there. I remember that. Tighten that the rest of the way. Still not taut. But hold on, I had some nuts that I always lose stuff, so dang. Where did these little suckers go? Like I put them or something. I know I tightened them. Wait, no. Hold on. Let me think. So they went right there. This right size. That's the right size. Just curious where the other one went. Oh wait, in a bag or something. Oh well, I mean this will fit. We'll have another one. Heck, I don't even know where the dang socket is. I had everything where I'd know where they are. I don't know. I must have kicked it. Because where's the Where's my sockets? Just a second ago, I had everything. Just a second ago, I had every single thing where I could see. And here's the other nut. We're good. And then there's the thing over there. So. That's not the sauce. Here it is. Wait, hold on. Yeah, it's all wrong, all wrong. Oh shit, I'll keep on losing this thing. Professor just screw these things in with using those pliers. That's not going nowhere. Okay. That probably needs to be tightened up a little bit more. That's good. So, all that's left is to put the, I swear, fish ribs. All that's left is to put the exhaust back on. Which I have right here. So, okay. I think the right size is right here. Oh. You ain't even tightening up. Just tighten these in hand tight, and then use the thing. Alright. That's gonna be the end right now until Dad gets home, and then we're gonna cut that piece off and then we'll be good. So I'll catch y'all guys in a little bit. Peace out.